Yes, us.
We are Johnny and Sarah from Vantastic. We sold our earthy belongings 9 years ago and moved to the van. And now we are in Greece. We had a Vanlife meetup with other Finnish in a Salanti beach and it was nice.
We spent quite a lot of time together, so it's always joy to meet other travelers, and especially now because we could speak Finnish, our own language, on the road.
And we had there everything that Finns like. There was a tent sauna and we fit 10 Finnish vanlifers inside of it.
Fun times! We cooked delicious meals and just hang around the bonfire.
Yeah, we made a bonfire on the beach and also on the main evening when we had a party, we partied on the Salanti Hotel.
Yeah.
And it was something to remember. On viiniä, on olutta, retsinaa.
Weather was awful, but we had a fun time. So we want to say thank you for everybody who
participated.
Yeah.
We had 9 vans and 16 people. So it was a success. Even over 3,000 kilometers away from Finland, we can get that much people in the same place.
Yeah, amazing times. But now, because we are true travelers, it's our time to go. Now we continue our journey. Let's see where we end up.
We will see our old friend. Maybe you recognize this place. Yeah. This was the place that we buried Pulla, our chihuahua.
It happened 1 year ago exactly, so we came to the memorial site. And that time we were really devastated, and still it feels sad, but we are not crying about it
Anymore.
Yeah, we have a happy memories about Pulla.
Yes, Pulla is buried on this hill just beside the Naffilia in the backyard of that church.
Yeah.
So he has a good resting place, for sure.
It was nice to see that Pulla is still resting there peacefully and no animals have dug his grave out. It would be really scary to see like a skeleton or some corpse torn apart. We did put so many rocks top of Pulla's body, so no wild animals will dig him out. Yeah, there's no sea because we are in the hilly top area, and we are going to continue our journey to the bigger city. We will go some grocery shopping in Lidl, and our tradition is to go to shower before we hit the town so we smell nice. Yes, we still prefer going swim in the sea, but when you are in a place like this where there's no water, the shower water just works wonders. Yeah, let's do that and hit the road.
Älä täällä on sensuaalista. Lassuikussa eikä tolleen.
Krääppimä.
Eikä krääppi.
Kuva. Kalimera from the Paralia Astros. We did end up here to have our dinner.
So we just drove through Naflia and we don't know if we stay overnight here. Maybe. It's a nice beach.
Yeah.
So it worked, good work. And nowadays we are making our own tzatziki from the scratch. We have learned to master it, so we don't have to always buy it. Sometimes we buy it.
Yeah. And this is the best pita bread ever. Elvi Art. These pita breads are so soft and chewy, even they are like 3 days old. They don't go bad, I love them. These are hard to find.
And we have tasted all the pita breads that are in Greece, so we know how thing. We have been so used that hot weathers that we are cold even on the warm winters in Greece. You can see it from here. The amount of wool socks and hats.
And mittens, because night times are chilly here if you want to stay out late.
Yeah, so we have always warm things to cover ourselves.
Mm-hmm. Night is upon us, so we are going to watch Stormskerrin Maija, Myrskyluodan Maija.
All traditional folk.
Living in Finland.
Yes.
And speaking bad Swedish.
Yes.
Learning curve for us too.
Yeah, this is the song that every Finnish people know. Yeah, it was good movie. Tunnelmallinen. Nice.
Kalimera, good morning. Weather is so bright and sunny today and sea is so calm. We are enjoying our morning pita bread here.
It's a pita bread with egg.
Yeah. We are planning. We will leave this spot early.
And go to the Monevasia, which is an island with a little town in the island. 3 hours of driving, but
in reality,
when you see the road on the Google Maps, you won't do it in a 3-hour time. I think Google counts like it's a 90 kilometers per hour road, but you can drive like 40 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get there before dark.
Or if we don't, we will just pull our van over somewhere and have a good night's sleep and continue tomorrow.
There's a lot of little bays and not that much houses on this Monevasia coast.
Yeah.
So it's easy to just go off the road and spend the night and continue next day.
Quick stop at the widening spot of the road. We are driving this Sikisaki coastal road and we can see the Mediterranean Sea all the time and it's so beautiful scenery.
And it's so lush and green. We were surprised. This whole area, all the hills are full of green lush plants and forest and yeah,
really green part.
This is like the hidden gem. This is really far away from any major city, and this road is like, I think from Nafli, it's like 60 kilometers away. So you can be here like secluded in your own thoughts, because they have just small towns here and just couple of houses, and even in the winter time there's hardly any people. I think 90% of the houses are not occupied, so they are summer houses. Beautiful little coves after every curve. Like you can find your own place wherever you like. Loving it. You cannot find this beautiful place in anywhere in Finland, so that's why we are traveling abroad, because this is just a normal road. This is not even like a famous road or anything, but still so beautiful. Camper van gives you opportunity to come to these places and enjoy these places. It's the salt of this lifestyle. Seeing new places, beautiful places, and easily from your own house.